Hello and welcome back to The Road to Good Cooking. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Today I'm cold smoking some cheese. You want to see how I did it? Stick around. Today I'm smoking cheese on my pit barrel junior over there. And look who's joining me. Let me see if I can get close up. There she is. Basking in the sun, which she always does. Her favorite pastime. Perfect day to smoke some cheese. I hope it's not too warm, but last time I tried to smoke cheese it was an absolute disaster because I was trying to light my pellets, and if you don't have some type of accelerant to light these doggone things with, you never get them lit. So it was an absolute disaster. I ended up pitching the last video that I made. So I'm going to try it again today, and I'm going to be using these things, fire starter, and we'll see how it goes. And here's the amazing starter kit that I ordered. It comes with a 6-inch tube smoker, 2 pounds of Pitmaster Choice pellets, the accelerant, which is the gel fire starter, and a very nice recipe book that includes cold smoking cheese and cold smoking fish, and several other very nice recipes. If you're interested in ordering the starter kit, the ordering link is in the description box below. I filled my tube smoker with the pellets, and then I'm going to add my accelerant, which is the fire cube starter. Now I'm going to be using the 6-inch tube, and this thing will burn for about 2 hours or so, and it's great for smoking hot and cold if you want. And it's really easy to use. Light it, and it's ready to use in 10 minutes. And here's the starter cube. I didn't use the whole size of it. I just used a little piece of it like you see inside the tube smoker. Now I'm going to light it, and it'll burn pretty quick and catch the pellets on fire pretty quickly. I'm going to let my starter cube burn for about 10 minutes, and that should be plenty of time for the pellets to ignite. And then I'm going to let those burn for a few minutes more, and then I'm going to blow the flame out. Now, there's going to be a little heat coming from the pellets, but it's going to be more smoke than anything. It's not going to be enough heat coming out these pellets to melt my cheese, so I'm going to be good to go. Okay, we're still on fire, and I transferred it over to my grill, and I have it sitting on my grill top, which is metal, and I couldn't get it to burn this long last time without the accelerant. So I really want to do my happy dance right about now because the pellets are actually going to ignite this time. And I'm going to let that cube starter just burn till it goes out, and then it should be time to transfer it over to my pit barrel junior. Okay, so far so good. I see smoke coming out from the side of the cylinder here, which I couldn't even get that far last time I was recording. And like I said, I'm using these fire starter cubes, and they come in a big package like this, and I didn't need a big package, so I just cut off a little piece, just enough to get my pellets going. But with this cylinder, when you order it from Amazing Products, they will send you the accelerant. There's a liquid accelerant that I got when I first got this thing, and when I moved I have no idea where I put it. So yeah, look at the smoke. Look at that. I got smoke. Okay. Yeah, but like I was saying, you need some type of accelerant because it's almost virtually impossible to get these pellets lit without some sort of an accelerant. So let me put this fire out and get it in the smoker. Okay, I blew the flame went out, and as you can see I have nothing but smoke, no heat. And I'm going to put it in the smoker and then hopefully get my cheese going. Alright, wish me luck. That first little cube that I put in there for the fire starter didn't work, so I put in a bigger cube in there in the cylinder. Got a bigger flame. I'm going to let it burn just a little bit longer so I can make sure that the pellets catch on. Alright, so let's see how this goes. And if this doesn't catch, I'm going to just scrap this whole project and forget about smoking some cheese today. Today I'm going to be smoking sharp cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. I have all of my cheese laid out on the rack, and underneath the rack I have my cheese sitting on a non-stick Q-mat. Now this mat will keep my cheese from sticking to the rack, and it also will help the smoke circulate around the cheese. And you can use this mat on any type of pellet, gas, or charcoal grill, and you can even use it in the oven. Okay, the fire went out, and now you can see I just have smoke. And I'm going to watch it before I put my cheese on there so I won't get tricked like I did last time, because it was smoking, and then as soon as I put my cheese in there, about 5 minutes later it quit smoking. So looks like I have success today. Let me get my cheese. Okay, I got my cheese in there, and it is smoking like crazy. So I don't think I'm gonna leave it in the smoke that long because I don't want it to be too strong. Okay, we got smoke. Okay, here's my cheese after about 45 minutes, and I still got some serious smoke coming out of here. I just tasted a piece, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Oh my God, it's super delicious. There we are. Cold smoking some cheese. How about that? And nothing's melted. Sophie is over the smoking project. She is not a happy camper, because she has to be outside, not on her nice soft bed inside. Here's my cheese after about an hour into the smoke, and you see that little space in the center there. There was a piece, actually there was 2 pieces of cheese there that I had to take off because that's right over the cylinder. And you remember I told you at the very beginning that there might be a little bit of heat coming from the pellets. Well, there was just enough heat coming from the pellets where it overcooked my cheese, and you'll see in the end pictures how it got a little crispy around the edges. It didn't melt, it just got a little bit too much heat and too much smoke on it, so I took them off. And of course I had to taste it with some crackers, and it is absolutely amazing. Even though it was a little scorched, it was still good. Now I'm going to let it go probably another 30 minutes or so because I'm getting an awful lot of smoke in my little Pit Barrel Junior, and I don't want it to be too overpowering with the smoke flavors. So I'm going to only let it go for an hour and a half instead of the 2 hours. And what I end up doing after I took my cheese off, I put some salt in there. I put a dish of salt where I smoked that. I smoked some butter. Let's see, what else did I smoke? Oh, some paprika. And that's really all I had to smoke. Normally I smoke nuts if I have walnuts or almond nuts. I love smoked almond nuts. They're absolutely amazing. So here we are. And I'm going to let this go another 30 minutes, like I said, and then I'll be taking everything off. So I have to admit, I am really happy with this smoke because, like I said, my last smoking project was an absolute disaster. Here's my finished smoked cheese. And it tastes phenomenal. Oh. Here we go. I just sampled one that got a little bit too done, and it was absolutely delicious. And this was the one right over the cylinder in the center, so I know now not to put anything in the center over the cylinder when it first starts, because now it's hardly no smoke coming out. So yeah, look at that. I say today was a successful smoking cheese day. Job well done. All in all, today was a pretty good day as far as smoking cheese, and you can see the smoke is just about gone. Very little smoke coming out of PBJ. All right, good job, PBJ. This was the first time I smoked cheese with my Pit Barrel Junior, and I'm sure it will not be my last time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and thanks for stopping by. Now this cheese recipe, this is a must try. If you don't have all the little gadgets, I say spend a few bucks and get that starter kit from Amazing Products. You will not be disappointed. And once you start making your own smoked cheese, you are not going to want to buy that smoked cheese in the store and pay the prices for smoked cheese in the store. Trust me on that one. And if you think I'm kidding, go price it. Go price it for yourself. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by again, and leave me a comment if you wish. Share my link with everyone you know in the universe, and be blessed and keep on cooking and smoke you some cheese.